Hi everybody, it's Henry Studios, and today we're making a breakfast sandwich with ham or Canadian bacon. We don't know if we have Canadian bacon, but we have ham. So right now I have the pan heating up with some cooking spray on it, and then the eggs are in there. I used two, and I'm gonna use the hot sauce in it also. Now you gotta mix up the egg. So now I'm gonna stir in the hot sauce. I just stirred up the egg. Now I'm gonna put in some hot sauce. And apparently it didn't work, so I'm gonna get that a little bit better. Put some in. Okay, that's about all of it. It might color it a different color, but who cares? It's just putting hot sauce in. So here's the egg mold we're gonna use. Well, I'm gonna use for cooking the egg. So I'm gonna put it on there, and now I'm gonna spray it. That's probably good. Now I'm gonna pour the egg into it. Now we will put on the cover and have it cook. Now I'm gonna take the egg mold off.
Give that a little shake. Yeah.
Ooh, that
Look at how
looks
beautiful
good.
that is.
Now I'm gonna flip it. And hope all goes well.
Ooh, that looks so good, Henry. Yeah. Now you can put the lid back on.
Now I'm gonna put the Canadian bacon on next to it.
Put a lot of sizzle.
It smells good. Now I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna put my pepper jack cheese on my egg. That's the noise I like to hear. I like it spicy.
Spicy.
I like it spicy.
That's the reason for the pepper jack and the hot sauce.
So I'm using Thomas Everything Bagel Thins. Well, they're just bagel thins, but who cares?
But it is everything. You did it right.
Yeah, it's everything. Now I'm gonna put it to 2.5 because it's thin and you don't want to overcook it.
All right.
Now I'm gonna get, actually, I'll do the Canadian bacon first. I'll do one slice. No, I'll do both slices. There, now I'm gonna get the egg. Now, I'm going to take this other one, put it on, and there you have it. A breakfast sandwich with pepper jack cheese and spicy egg and the Canadian bacon. Now, I'm going to cut it with a knife.
Oh wait, that's more of a whip noise.
Hopefully it doesn't fall apart too much. So, technical difficulties with cutting it, but my mom cut it for me. Thanks, shout out to Mom. And now I'm gonna take a bite. Might still be pretty hot, but I'll try and eat it. Hot. Oh. Spicy life. Some nice chewing ASMR. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.